You found a 4-leaf clover?
4-leaf long?
Huh, I'm suspecting a trick.
Just made it.
Is it possible, guys? You think he found a 4-leaf clover? Huh? That grin says it all, guys. Huh?
I found one. I got 4 leaves.
It's close enough, isn't it?
1, 2, 3.
Okay.
No, it's only 0.8 miles. Yeah.
This is our fearless leader. Are you ready to escort the way? So, it almost makes me wish it were prehistoric times and we were cavemen and women. Right? Wow, this is totally insane, guys. Check it out, guys.
That was cute. Did you see that? And it was just like walking out on the rail like when he jumped and he was next to me, he was like
Wow, look at this. All right, so we're just entering the cave area, and I gotta bend down pretty low. This is about 4 feet high.
We are not
Okay, guys. Now, I am pretty sure that at one point in time, there was an Indian family that lived in here, or tribe, right? And if it was my tribe, that'd be my bedroom right there. What do you think, Mom?
Where's your guitar room?
My guitar room would be back in there.
That's the first thing you look into, don't you?
The recording studio would be somewhere in here too. How's Mom doing?
1-bedroom house. That would be your guitar room.
How's Mom hanging out with this? I'm surprised. I'm impressed.
It's open this way, you see.
I am impressed. I'm
I can
impressed.
handle that.
Can you imagine at some point in time you'd wake up? Wow, look at that. I can't even lift my head through the railing. That is nuts, guys. All right, hello everybody. We are with Scandish Home, Noemi and Zolt, and they're gonna show us the really cool stuff here in Oregon, like Silver Falls, right?
Yay.
Eric, you ready? You ready to check out some good stuff?
Yeah.
All right, guys, let's get going. Eric, that is exactly correct. You are sitting on formerly hot molten lava, okay? If you take a look at this rock here, that's volcanic, right?
Look at the little holes.
So it has little holes, so you know it's volcanic, right?
What is Daddy going to do, Eric?
I have no idea.
Oh, you just sit there. He's going to get a water bottle. Okay. Watch me overcoming this. Hi guys, so I'm here with Noemi from the Scandish Home, and if you don't know her channel, she helped me so much from a journey with minimalism and decluttering, and she has such a neat channel. Please guys, go check it out. I'm gonna put the link in the description box down below. And today she's taking us to a beautiful hike here in Silver Falls, and come along with us, you guys.
It's gonna be so much fun.
Yeah, hiking with a stroller.
Alright, so I'm asking Noemi if she's ever bathed in a lake, because I have kind of a fear of bathing like where the water is dark. I don't know what's underneath it. Would you ever bath in the lake, or you did?
What is a bath in the lake?
Bathing, like you took a bath, like you went in
Jump?
there?
You jump in there with the head on? Oh yeah, no, not in this one. This is mostly for little kids. I mean, check it out. Isn't
But
that
you don't
fun?
have like a fear of jumping in the lake where you can't see
No,
what's
I don't
in
have
it?
that fear because I know I'm never gonna do that.
Look at this beautiful bridge. Here's my sunshine, you guys.
Alright, so as you can see right down here, you can see a big drop off. That's the first fall.
You guys see this?
You see that, Ariana? That's what we gotta keep you away from.
Let's go check it out.
Daddy, I never seen a place like this, honey.
Yeah. Where are we gonna take? The short way or the long way?
You can take the short way, I'll take the long way.
Okay. Okay guys, stay safe there. As you can see, we're seeing a nice view of the fall there. That is too cool, guys. Wow, and that ain't messing around there. Look how steep that is. You guys found a nice natural seating there, guys. It looks pretty comfortable. Leo, how's it feel? Good?
Alrighty, so what did you find, Daddy?
Well, I just got my axe out and then whipped up a quick seat.
Is that right?
I cut a tree down and
There's a chipmunk over there.
I can feel it.
Sorry, honey, the chipmunk took the attention instead. Alright, sorry.
Alright, now we're really getting into the thick of it here. Wow, I hope this translates on camera how absolutely amazing that really is. Wow. Check it out, guys. Don't come over here where I'm going, but stay over there. That is absolutely cool, guys.
What does Ariana think about this beautiful waterfall? Yeah.
But also, if you
Cutie pie.
Okay guys, so we are close to this super cool waterfall. We're gonna get right up underneath it. Guys, I don't even know what to say because it's so cool.
And you can even down.
Wow.
I don't know if I can tell you guys how beautiful.
Look up here too, guys. Wow.
And the sound is so soothing, it's beautiful. The sound of it, I can just stay here and listen to the sound. It's so beautiful. Look at the strength of this water. So we're right inside the grotto, basically. Look at that, that's what's right on top of us right now. And I guess Daddy is right underneath the grotto right there. These are our friends right here, and there's Daddy with the kiddos there. I love that Ariana is having fun picking up the white flowers here.
Alright, so we're just entering the cave area, and I gotta bend down pretty low. This is about 4 feet high.
We are not.
Okay guys, now I am pretty sure that at one point in time there was an Indian family that lived in here, or tribe, right? And if it was my tribe, that'd be my bedroom right there. What do you think, Mom?
That's your guitar room.
My guitar room would be back in there.
That's the first thing you look into, don't you?
The recording studio would be somewhere in here too. How's Mom doing?
One bedroom house, that would be your guitar room.
How's Mom hanging out with this? I'm surprised. I'm impressed.
It's open this way, you see.
I am impressed. I am
I can
impressed.
handle that.
Can you imagine at some point in time you'd wake up? Wow, look at that. I can't even lift my head through the railing. That is nuts, guys. This is insane, guys.
I mean, this space is this narrow, you guys. It's really small, really narrow. Okay, let's get out of here before it really.
Wow. Hi, honey. What do you think? You see the waterfall? Did you see the waterfall?
This is the first waterfall experience.
This is your, well, no, that would have been Old Faithful at Yellowstone. It's not really a waterfall though. That's a geyser. Ariana, what are your thoughts on the waterfall here?
She keeps pointing at him. And I'm talking.
That's from your view right there. You got a good view. What is it?
Yeah, she keeps pointing at him.
Where's it at? Where's the waterfall? Ariana, where's the waterfall?
Dad. Is it there?
Serena. Wow. This is a great place to play Indians, isn't it? Wow, guys. Hey, Dennis. What you doing? You setting up a little camp here? Wow. Yeah. Wow, you guys are going for it, huh? Check it out.
It's cool and it's very scary and echoey. I don't like it.
Wow, that's insane. Dennis, you gonna live in that one? That would be great. Wow.
We guys will live in this one.
I almost want to be a caveman just to live here, guys. If you're looking for a house, this is the place to go, guys. Check it out.
Yeah, this is actually,
Right.
I gotta say something. This is the first time experience for the whole family. This is the first time we all
First fall
came
experience.
at a waterfall all together for everybody. So that's
think you're right.
awesome, right?
I think you're right. Is that your house? Check it out. There's all kinds of, who knows how far it goes up in there. Wow. That's nuts. As you can see, you gotta kind of watch your head, because that would feel wonderful.
Okay, so we're having a little bit of hard pondering here from Mommy, because there's no rail on this side, right, Noemi?
Oh yeah.
And so we're gonna be watching the kids closely right now, and we'll see you in a bit.
We are guarding them.
I mean, you cannot ever have enough of this beauty here.
That's something.
You know, and there's this little beach right there. Look at that.
Wow.
And that's where the trail went, all the way from the top, and then we went all the way down. We were behind it, and now we went down right here. And here is the perfect spot for a picture. Right, Lilo and Serena? So I only got 2 of my kids here, 3. But we can't get this one out of the stroller, because once you will, you know what she's gonna want to do. Ready, guys?
Yeah.
Cheese.
Oh,
Lilo. Cheese.
Yeah, oh my gosh. How are my hikers doing here? Leo. Leo.
Oh, that's why I hit a pencil.
Having fun today?
Yeah, I spent the hairdresser 2 hours to look like that.
Some trails aren't that great for a stroller. Guys, this looks like where Winnie the Pooh lives. Right? Wow. There's caves and rocks, and there's caves underneath trees, guys. Leo. The neat? And that one?
Daddy.
See? Hey!
Daddy.
How did you get way up there?
With nature's steps.
With nature's steps. Wow.
You say you have been close for years? Is it? You have another one with you?
Do you think it's deep, Eric? Do you think it's deep, honey? I don't even know if this camera does it justice to this place. It's so beautiful.
Yeah.
Take it all in, Daddy.
Just taking it in, guys. All right, we're just taking it all in, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right, so there's one thing of looking at pictures in a book or the computer, but for the kids, and so you get out in the nature and really check it out, you really appreciate it, and you learn much more, right, guys?
And there's so much to see. This is like a 5 senses experience, you guys. Look at that.
A 5-cent experience.
Yeah, 5 senses.
Oh, senses. I mean, guys, what have you created? Wow, that's a nice boat. You know, we're gonna have to try. Let's carry that to a nice spot. We're gonna have to try to float that. Whatever floats your boat, Dennis. Okay.
Oh, she loves that. Oh, she loves it. Look at she's whirling it.
Oh, she's spinning it.
Let me see.
She loves flowers. She eats the dandelions, remember?
Wow. Come on, Leo. And then you get this in view again. Wow.
We have Malmsteen.
Oh, hi.
Maxi.
Daddy, that's the scream of freedom right there.
Yeah. The cry of freedom.
The cry of freedom.
The cry for freedom.
Yes, I am.
Not so much. It was money face right now, you guys. Alright, I guess we reached an end here with Ariana being the stroller.
We could go to the beach.
Yeah?
We have this
Whoa!
little tent, not tent, it's just a roof thing, so the air goes through.
Oh, we got everything. We got tent, we got
Yeah, I'm ready.
we got all house in a car, don't we? I know they start pushing the stroller, but don't you think like it gives you something to push for, Daddy?
This is the joys of hiking with kids, right?
Right? That's Serena. She's talking to the birds.
Is that a dog?
Yeah. All right, so we have some brave people who aren't afraid to get cold or wet. Wow, guys. That's neat, guys. How's it feel, Eric? Is it cold?
It's just a dog. You cannot really.
Sister Serena is there. Brother Dennis is there.
It's not very deep water.
Oh, Leo. Look at that. Good job on the boat, Lo. Is it floating? Try. There he goes. Bye, boat. Thank you, Serena. That is sweet.
Found a hero come to our rescue. All right, guys. You guys need to say a big thank you to this guy. All right? All right, guys. That's our hero for the day. Thank you. Wow.
Warmer here.
Is it, you guys find the warm spot?
Yeah, but it's less steep. It's only there.
How's your swimming experience going, guys?
Up to here?
Going up to here. Good one.
I already got
Oh, hey, this guy's gonna go for it. You gonna go for it? No. Okay. No pressure.
I saw
No,
him
no
do-
pressure from us.
I saw him do it.
Oh, he already did it. Okay.
And he screamed.
Yeah, but you said you can't put it on because
Did he?
That's what he was doing. We're gonna build it all the way there. It's a big wall filter dam.
A big wall filter dam. Well,
It's gonna be big. Can I say so?
that's pretty technical terms you're using.